To use, find a good chair and sit comfortably. Fold the seal back over the pressure chamber. You can tilt the pressure chamber to avoid having to bend your ankle. Place your foot in the pressure chamber, put your foot on the footrest, and align it so that your calf is almost all the way to the front of the chamber. Pull the seal up over your calf. It is important that the seal is in contact with your skin all around. Stop. Press the stop button. Fold the seal back over the edge of the pressure chamber. Hold the blue button on the valve down while you press your foot back and use your hand to release the air caught in the padding. Remove your foot. Fold the seal back.